Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best reusable match is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly fire starting solutions available today, offering a sustainable alternative to disposable lighters and matches that often end up in landfills, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce their environmental impact while ensuring they always have a reliable way to ignite a flame, whether for camping, emergency preparedness, or everyday use. Number 5. Electric Candle Lighter. Never struggle with the elements again. Our upgraded lighter features a windproof and splash-proof design, ensuring reliable use in any weather condition. It's not just for candles. The flexible, 360 degrees rotatable neck adapts to your needs, making it perfect for various occasions beyond just lighting candles. Enjoy up to 600 uses on a single charge. The real-time battery display lets you know exactly how much power is left. Its compact and slim size makes it incredibly portable, fitting perfectly into your daily routine and pocket. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes an ideal present for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, or housewarmings. Your purchase includes the electric lighter, a USB charging cable, and a user manual for your convenience. What we like. This lighter offers superior windproof and splash-proof capabilities, making it reliable in any weather. Its flexible, rotatable neck allows for easy lighting in various situations. If you frequently light candles in windy conditions or need to reach awkward spots, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The striker is built into the bottom of the bottle, so you don't have to worry about losing it. It is a great way to store your matches and keep them dry. The bottle is made of durable plastic and can withstand a lot of abuse. Number 4. Rechargeable USB Arc Lighter. Never struggle with lighting candles or BBQs again. Its windproof and splash-proof design ensures reliable use in any weather condition, making it perfect for all your lighting needs. Reach every corner with ease. The flexible and 360 degrees rotatable neck adapts to various situations, ensuring you can light up candles or start your grill from any angle. Enjoy extended use with a single charge. This device can be used up to 600 times on a full charge, and the real-time battery display keeps you informed. Designed for convenience, its small and slim size makes it easy to carry and perfect for everyday use. Keep it handy for any occasion. Your purchase includes the electric lighter, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started right away. What we like. Designed with a windproof and splash-proof build, this lighter ensures you can light up your candles or grill with ease, no matter the conditions. The 360-degree rotatable neck adds versatility for those hard-to-reach places. If you're looking for a dependable and adaptable lighter for both indoor and outdoor use, this one is a great option. What people say. The striker on the side is very convenient. It works great and is easy to use. It is a good size and fits well in your pocket. Number 3. Electric Candle Lighter. Never struggle with lighting candles again. Its windproof and splash-proof design ensures reliable use, even in challenging weather conditions. Make a smart choice for your wallet and the planet. One of these is equivalent to 300 traditional lighters, saving you money and reducing waste. Enjoy extended use with its powerful rechargeable battery. It can be used up to 600 times on a single charge, and you can easily monitor the remaining power. Its slender and elegant design makes lighting candles a breeze. It's perfectly portable for your daily needs. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes an ideal present for women, moms, wives, and sisters for any occasion. Your purchase includes the lighter, a USB charging cable, and a user manual for your convenience. What we like. This option is both economical and environmentally friendly, with one unit replacing 300 traditional lighters. Its windproof and splash-proof design ensures functionality in challenging weather. If you value sustainability and cost-effectiveness while still needing a reliable lighter for everyday use, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The striker on the side is a nice touch. It's a good size, not too big and not too small. The metal casing feels durable and well made. Number 2. Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. Never get caught in the dark again. This kit includes 15 Typhoon matches, designed to withstand the elements. Its water-resistant storage ensures they're always ready when you need them. Lighting your way is simple with the integrated water-resistant strike pad cap. Plus, we've included additional strike pads for extended use. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features an ergonomic grip for a secure hold. And don't worry about losing it, it even floats in water. Built to last, this kit is made from durable, reusable ABS plastic. It's designed for repeated adventures, season after season. Take it anywhere with ease. It features a molded lanyard hole, making it simple to attach to your gear or wear around your neck. Your Zippo Typhoon Match kit arrives conveniently packaged in a blister pack. It's ready for your next outdoor excursion right out of the box. What we like. Featuring 15 Typhoon matches and a water-resistant storage cap, this kit is built for the outdoors. It even floats, adding an extra layer of security. If you're an adventurer, camper, or boater who needs a reliable way to start a fire even in wet conditions, this match kit is your ideal companion. What people say. The striker is built into the bottom of the bottle, making it very convenient. It is a great alternative to disposable matches and lighters, and it works reliably in windy conditions. Number 1. Natural Fire Starter Cubes, upgraded 36 Firestarters Kindling. Introducing our upgraded Fire Starter Cubes. They are designed for easy lighting, allowing you to start your campfire or grill in seconds without any lighter fluids or extra kindling. These premium squares are perfect for any occasion, whether you're camping, grilling, or enjoying a cozy night by the fireplace. They work great for barbecues, fire pits, and more. Each block burns for 8 to 10 minutes, providing ample time to get your fire going. Their compact and lightweight design makes them easy to carry in your backpack for any outdoor adventure. Made from natural wood shavings and paraffin wax, these cubes are eco-friendly and odorless. They are safe for indoor and outdoor cooking, ensuring no impact on food flavor. With a no flare-up design, these cubes are safe to use for lighting indoor fires. They are an essential addition to your emergency kit for peace of mind. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you promptly. What we like. These fire starter cubes are designed for easy lighting and burn for a long duration, up to 8 to 10 minutes. Made from natural, non-toxic materials, they are safe for use with food. If you enjoy camping, grilling, or need a reliable fire starter for your fireplace or fire pit without any chemical aftertaste, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The striker is integrated into the cap, making it easy to carry and use. The metal casing feels sturdy and durable, and the wick is replaceable. It works well in windy conditions, and the flame is consistent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.